Okay, so we're using technology, and so if you are getting introduced to these new TI Nspires, they're really nice, but they're also a pain to use. So right here, according to these directions, we have these 25 potato chip bags have been gotten from a simple random sample. And so we have all this data right here. We're going to put that into the calculator. So to go ahead and put in a data in spreadsheet, we're going to choose this right here. So if you go ahead and come down here, it says lists and spreadsheets. We're going to go ahead and hit enter, and then you'll enter in all the data right here in one column. You do not want to go ahead and copy these right here exactly as they come, because we're not going to go ahead and get that correct. Now, I've already put in this data, all of it, but I haven't named the data. So I'm going to name this chips, so that way we can go ahead and keep this from, so that way we just use a name that has some meaning to us, and it has to be up in this top row, not at the bottom row. So let's see, chips. Let's see, where's P? Okay, so chips. Now it's asking for a dot plot. To go ahead and create a dot plot, you simply go ahead and hit Document. We're going to insert a data and statistics page, and so that becomes right here with all this data, and we need to go ahead and assign some data here to the x-axis. So I'm going to hit Tab, and there's my name of my data, chips. I go ahead and hit enter, and it creates this data right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and have this, and then I'll copy here on the page or a separate sheet of paper just to go ahead and copy it. And then we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. Now, if we look at the center of data, center data is right about there. Is it close to what we have for the 28.3 grams? Yes, no, maybe. I don't know. We're going to have to check. So, after that, it's also asking for these parts of data: X bar, S of X, N, and also the 5-number summary. So to go ahead and get the 5-number summary, we hit again Document key. We're going to insert, and instead of lists and spreadsheets or data and statistics, we want calculator. So I'm going to hit 3. And so now to go ahead and get the 5-number summary, we hit Menu. We choose 6, option 6, statistics. Then we choose option 1. Stat calculations, and we choose number 1, variable stats. And it's going to have this right here, number of lists. We only have one list that we're going to be working with. If I hit the right key, it's going to bring up this right here, and there's our list that we were using, chips. Hit enter. Go right here to OK. And there's our data. So this is all of our data. If you look right here, X bar is at the top. And if you notice, I hit up to find this right here. So I'll just go ahead and type that out. Okay. Standard deviation, just right here, we look it up. So that's S of X, it's right here, 2.83. Number of data points. It says N is 25. Which is correct. And the 5-number summary is right here, and it's all of this right here. So first is our minimum, which is 22, Q1, 26.5, median, 28, Q3, 30.5, and then finally max, which is 34. And so that's all you have to do for that. And so that's all I wanted to go through on this sheet and using technology. And thank you very much. See ya.